Here's why I will never make TikTok titles in Premiere Pro again. Look, creating authentic style TikTok captions is a pain in the ass, especially when it comes to adding emojis. It's super finicky, very annoying, a lot of dragging. So instead, go to AdsRx.co and search for TikTok. Download this template, install it into your motion graphics folder. Next, open up your essential graphics panel and search for TikTok. Now all you have to do is drag it into your timeline and start customizing your titles. You can change your stroke, change your text, change the background, but the best part about these templates is the ability to change and customize the emojis. It has a drop-down menu of very common emojis that you can choose from, or you can upload your very own emojis. And the best part about this is the emojis actually respond to the text, which means you don't have to do it yourself in Premiere. And to top it off, there's 5 different animation presets, so you don't have to keyframe anything. This is a total game changer if you edit video ads or any social media content. If you want more time-saving assets like this and hundreds more, make sure to check out the link in my bio. Oh, and follow me for more video marketing tips.